Hi, I'm Ryan from Sunshower Online. I'm here at the Sunshower shop and you're watching Sunshower TV. So right now I'm going to show you how to quickly manually run your system using the Hunter node. You'll have a program in already. I've just put a basic one in. The key thing is a runtime, but the runtime's the key thing, just that I have one in there. Based with the current time, the timer's in idle, it's sort of ready to go. You just hold down this play button until that hand appears and that run time appears, and the system's going to count down and straight away run for as long as I've programmed it to run. Now if I want to turn that off, I just press the minus button until that run time goes down to 0. And off it goes. And that's it. If you found that video useful, please give it a like and subscribe on YouTube. And better yet, head to Sunshower Online. We'd be happy to help.